just wanted to talk with you about this Saturday, the wholesaling class this Saturday with Tom Zeeb right here. I got him in person over here. This is Thursday. I'm telling you, get to this class right now.
If all it does is get you one extra deal or
Yes.
get you $500 more on your next deal.
Right.
And I'm talking beginners, intermediate, or advanced. Everybody can stand to become a better negotiator.
Yes.
Everybody can stand to become a better marketer, because marketing's always a mystery to people. So what I want to do, beginner, intermediate, advanced, I want to, wherever you are on the ladder, I want to move you up multiple rungs. And I've got all day on Saturday, 9 to 4, to be able to do that.
Cut your damn Starbucks coffee, I'll tell you, and then take this class, 100%. Now, with that being said, I know I'm being strict, and I'm sorry, but it has to be said. Somebody has to say it. All right. With that being said, Zeeb, it was great seeing you again.
All right. See you Saturday.
See you Saturday.
Thanks.
Have a good one.